Hello everybody and welcome to Big Jet TV's Spotter Guide here from Zurich, Switzerland. In today's show we'll be visiting the new Spotters Hill as well as other locations around the airport. So let's go film some planes. So we are up on the purpose-built Spotters Hill here at Zurich, folks. This is Raffaella from Zurich Airport. You're a spokesperson for Zurich Airport. I mean, you have an entire department dedicated to social media.
Yeah, and especially visitor services and events. I mean, we have a huge offering for plane spotters or just aviation enthusiasts with our bus tours, guided tours around the airport, special tours. And it's quite popular during lunchtime because there is an old helicopter where you can eat.
So tell me about the peepholes in the fence.
They can be used to take pictures, so you won't need a ladder. Visitors from Observation Deck B can go via free shuttle bus to Dock E. The observation deck in Terminal E is also called Viewpoint A380 because the world's largest aircraft at the moment is docked there.
Thank you very much for giving us all that information. We will be back and we're going to leave Raffaella now, and myself and Dirk, we're going to head down to runway 14? 14 to get some arrivals. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're
Raffaella.
welcome. Thanks for the visit. Well, it's great to have you.
Thanks again to Raffaella for showing us around. Dirk Sterneman is here with us. Look at this, again another dedicated spot with parking all the way up there for plane spotters here at Zurich. Great job the guys at Zurich do for the plane spotting community. Great cafe in there. They've got a departures and arrivals board, believe it or not. Oh wow, what a shock, folks. The backdrop's fantastic, man. ULS Airlines Airbus A310.
Das kann ich dir nur beipflichten, ja. Das sieht zwar bullig aus.
359.
richtig geil finde ich die Split Cemeteries von der
737. We'll see you on the next show. Thanks a lot for tuning in. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.